morning to all.
Sir, yesterday, what was that class? Morning, sir.
Hello.
Hello,
Jasmina.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
you asking anything related to this one?
Yes, sir.
What you are
So
asking?
yesterday, what was there in class?
Huh?
So yesterday, what was there in class? Class, what was there in class?
What you are asking? I'm not listening properly.
So,
Your voice is not audible. Yes. Ayman Mullah. Come in video mode. Ayman Mullah. Jasmina. Please come in video mode. Yes.
yes, sir, video model.
Huh?
That's video model.
Yeah. No, you're not there in the video mode.
So I put a video mode, but I don't know why it's not showing video mode. I am in video mode. 2 minutes
No.
back, I had video mode, sir.
I don't know, Baba.
Yes, sir. I'll
You're not
send you
there
a
in video mode.
screenshot. Sir, I'll send you a screenshot. Sir, I'm there, sir. I just put screenshot.
It's okay. Leave that. Okay. Now it is audible. Now you are in video mode. It's audible, Jasmina. Jasmina. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In today's class, again, I want to recollect what yesterday I mentioned to the class. So on the basis of that only, I want to take remaining points to your second unit of your service marketing. So Rangoli.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, come in video mode.
So just 2 minutes. I'm having my TL come.
This is not answer. You should be ready to all classes.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Ayman Mullah. Ayman Mullah.
Yes, sir.
Come in video mode.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on.
All have to come in video mode fast. Make it fast. Jasmina, Ayman Mullah, Rangoli. Okay. All have to come in video mode. Yeah. I want to ask one small question to you people. That is I already completed. What are the points which are coming under the second unit on what particular that gap. So in today's class, by collecting previous class points, I want to take further points related to your second unit. So Ayman Mullah, please explain gap 1 is coming under what are the points are there in that particular gap 1?
The last class I was absent, sir. So I didn't have any
Rangoli,
idea. I'll just
Rangoli,
read it and tell.
Rangoli, Rangoli.
Yes,
So
sir.
now you can see.
Rangoli, tell me what are the points which are coming under the gap 1 model of your service? marketing.
Yeah.
Mm,
Yesterday I mentioned in yesterday class. And
so inadequate marketing research orientation.
no, because those are the factors. What are the major points that are coming under the gap one as per
So
the
how
gap
is
model?
Mario?
I didn't go ahead. How is he?
9900 it hit.
It has come up.
100.
Okay, and he's still on the machine.
Yeah.
Jaswina, please
So there is
mute
a
your
lot
speaker.
of disturbance.
It came up to 99.
100 also it has.
Jaswina, please mute your
Huh?
speaker.
Praise God.
Yes, sir. So like you'll be again coming for rounds.
Jaswina, please mute your
I was like
speaker.
happy. I for this from 50 it picked up so fast.
What time is it up?
So at around 5
Jaswina,
o'clock it was. Then 6 o'clock it was.
Comes out of that.
I know it will be very difficult to wean him out.
We'll have to tell those
Jaswina,
So he doesn't have sons. He has only one son, Myron.
students that Myron will have to say.
Yeah.
Jaswina, please mute your speaker.
No, he was only. So what we are doing for our dads like that, no one
Yeah.
will do for anyone.
Okay.
We are also little bit
See.
far, but still,
1 minute. I'll give.
they had
call
given
to her.
him proper care.
Jaswina,
At 6 o'clock in the morning, it was 100, 9900.
okay. Majorly depend on the 2 points. Okay. That the gap one of your service model is dependent.
Yeah.
So in that first one is that is customer
No,
expectation,
sir. 92,
and second one is
99.
company perceptions of customer expectations. See, customer expectations are totally depend on, okay, what kind of services going to buy. 1 minute, huh? It is totally disturbing. I'll give call to Jaswina.
$89. Goes up to that.
Okay.
Right, 3 o'clock.
So major points are like customer expectations are different, and what the company is going to give such a kind of service to the end user, that is different. So here as a company they need to analyze the perception of the customer expectation, and the customer expectations are different. So whatever these 2 points gap is there, so that is called as the gap one of your service, this one model. So what are the major factors which are coming into the this one? Take an example, inadequate marketing
That is
research
the
orientation,
chances of
and lack of upward communication, insufficient relationship focus.
So what is the
These all
chances
are
of like
again
market
going to
condition? Like how
increase the gap of that customer.
Mario first
This
has
one
to
gap.
come out of the ventilator. No?
yeah.
Then
Rangoli,
we assess him again.
Yes, sir.
Ayman Mullah.
After 1 month, we
Rangoli, do one thing.
come back.
So you're not audible.
Now
Rangoli, do one
we have
thing.
learned quite a lot about
Sir.
Give call to Jaswina and tell her to mute her speaker.
Yes, sir.
Prevents lung fibrosis.
Okay.
So we'll be able to know how
Make
much
it
lung
fast.
fibrosis is there only after
She's mad or what?
But then you will get another problem. If I have to tell you. So as per his tax history, he has been a chain
I know
smoker.
that. I know that already.
He has smoked for years from the past 30 years he has not smoked.
25 years.
Yeah, 25
Jasmina.
years previously he has not smoked. So that can be a chance percent factor.
Please mute your
Even
speaker.
alcoholic.
Smoking was that I know. That I told Shubert.
Yeah.
I told Pamela also. He's a fast smoker. I told even Anissimo. He's a fast smoker.
Now we'll have to just wait.
Jaswina, please mute your speaker.
So we evaluate and all. Sometimes people think
I would like to know you want the person to get you in data mining for human
or
language.
they
No, I think commonly use both for insurance and transport classes, no? Insurance will cover. We are next
Okay,
security of
I will take
the
next point. That is service research. Okay, what is that exactly the service research is? Yes, Ayman. Ayman Mullah.
Sir, you're not audible, sir.
It's audible. Check that properly. It's audible. Yeah, Ayman.
Sir, question.
Yes, tell me. Don't use that Bluetooth. By using that Bluetooth, how you are going to expect? Use that microphone. Don't expect all those things from the faculty. You should use proper that materials.
Yes, sir.
Then, without using any proper materials, then how you are going to expect? You're not a kid. Behave like as a MBA student, please. Okay, service research. Today I want to discuss on the service research. Service research is very important role to identify the expectations of the end users. So it is very important, and the service research, okay, it will motivate to all the service one who is giving such a kind of service to the end user for the purpose to analyze their particular quality of service, their particular quality of gap, their particular quality of how they are giving services, what is the behavior of the end users, everything. So here there are majorly two kinds of particular researches are there. One is qualitative research and one more is quantitative research. See what for your project work, what you are doing your project report. Take an example with respect to any numbers, statistics, okay, whatever you're going to putting some charts or what you're going to inferences, those are coming under the quantitative. And qualitative in the sense by using some observations by interview, okay, then what you are going to get by experiments, whatever you are going to collect that by the quality of that research, those are coming under the qualitative research. So these are the major differences between qualitative research and quantitative research. So major thing is in service research plays a major role in establishing the expectations of the customers. For the purpose to analyze the expectations of the customer, okay, service that research plays a very important role. So organizations spend many resources to conduct research on customer expectations. See, because the thing is, it's very important for the purpose to conduct such a kind of services. Okay, maybe especially in this service sector. Okay, all are going to use that qualitative research. Qualitative is by maybe interview with your end users, maybe by observing your customers, maybe by counseling with your customers. What you are going to conduct such a kind of research that is in the form of qualitative research only. So for the purpose to analyze the expectations of the end user, okay, you need to take that particular service research. So the foundation of good customer service, okay. Jaswina, please come in. Please unmute your speaker.
Sir.
Jaswina, while
Yes,
you're going to
sir.
discuss with any your doctor or anything, please mute your
Yes,
speaker.
sir.
Huh?
Yes,
You are
sir.
wasting my time.
Yes, sir.
You wasted 15 minutes time.
So I'm so sorry, but
This
that
is not
sir
answer.
comes only once.
So sorry. Every time you should be aware about the rules and regulations, because how we are going to take. I'm intimating you many times. Please, please understand. Please mute your speaker.
Sorry, sir.
Why are you wasting other person time? Okay. The foundation of good customer service is a good understanding of customer expectations. See, the major foundation of this such a kind of any service research is to identify the expectations of the customers. Today's any business growth in the organization is directly proportional to its customer satisfaction. See, suppose take an example. If there is any company is there, if there is any growth, maybe by in the form of any revenue, maybe in the brand name, maybe in the quality of that particular brand. Take an example. Because of these all are going to happen because of the customer satisfaction and customer loyalty also. If customers are satisfied once, then they will become loyal to the brand. That's why service research plays a very important role to analyze, okay, what that exactly and the major service research is. Okay. Service research must focus on service issues and bring up the customer's expectations strictly, like what satisfies the customer the most, what bothers him the most. See, here it focuses on as a service marketing manager for the purpose to identify the issues of the services by the company. Okay, for the purpose to identify what kind of particular problems are there with the service providers, then whether they are satisfied with our particular survey or by particular by our service or no. For the purpose to analyze those all, okay, this service research plays a very important role. A service research program is the summation of various initiatives adopted by an organization to find out the customer's voice and feeling about the organization products and services for the purpose to identify what kind of particular customer's voice is there, whether they are happy or unhappy, whether what kind of particular word of mouth is there about your brand. So whether they are having a good feeling about the product or no. Okay, what kind of product and services given by the company to the end users. Okay, for the purpose to analyze in generally the expectations of the end users, this service research plays a very important role. Service research is who is going to take care about the service research as a researcher of the service. Okay, one who is the major part of the organization, one who is going to concentrate on the customers that expectations, one who are doing such a kind of any research on whether customers are satisfied or no, one who are doing such a kind of research on issues with related to the customers. So by depend on these peoples, okay, they can identify, okay, very easily the wants and needs of the customer in generally the market need. So depend on these all points, okay, service research plays a very important role to each and every service sector. So next point is that is there are various types of service researches are there. In that first one, that is very important for your exam point of view, they will ask one question, that is what is a service research? Explain the gap 1 model of service quality. Take an example. So you need to write that what is the meaning of that service research, why that service research plays a very important role in the service marketing, and what are the major points which are coming under the gap 1 of your service quality. So with the level of this particular diagram, you need to explain the gap between the customer expectation and company perception of customer expectations. You need to write this. Then they can ask this also, what is gap 1 of service marketing, and what are the factors, okay, leads to gap 1. You, like that you need to mention these all three major points: inadequate marketing research orientation, lack of upward communication, and third one, insufficient relationship focus. So in each particular point what I mentioned sub points, you need to mention all those points. It may ask even 10 marks question also. 3 marks they will ask what is that gap 2 of your service quality. Okay, then explain in detail about the gap 1 model of your service quality. You need to mention all these points. Okay, then you know already, no need to discuss on that service research, because in yesterday class I already discussed what is that research means, meaning of that research, why that research plays a very important role in the service sector, Okay, and what are the methodologies? Those are there. How we should take that inferences, statistical tour, then that hypothesis. Then after that means it tells about the quantitative methods of your research. Then next point is very important for your exam point of view. They will ask again 10-mark question, types of service research. In that, first one is that is complaint solicitation. You know already what that exactly the complaint solicitation is. What is the exact meaning of that complaint solicitation? Yes, tell me. Yes, what is complaint solicitation? Sanket Russell,
Yes, sir.
please come in video mode.
Technical issues, sir.
Your voice is clear, then how it is a problem with your technical? Your voice is clear. If there is
Camera
any
problem,
problem, then that relates to all. Yes, come in video mode.
sir. Camera problem, sir.
Camera
Technical
problem.
issue.
Very good. Good answer. Whatever. Tell me, complaint solicitation means what? There's no any problem
Okay.
with your audio, na? Tell me. Complaint solicitation means what? This is a major type of the service research. According to you, complaint solicitation means what? I'm asking simple question.
No idea, sir.
No idea. Okay. Thank you. Ayman Mullah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Complaint solicitation means what? See, it is very important. That is, complaint is, these are the complaints of the customers for the purpose to identify the complaints of the end users. This particular research plays a very important role. Very easy. The type 1, okay, and that research itself, that word itself, that tells that for the purpose to collect the complaints from the end users, for the purpose to collect the issues by the end users, for the purpose to analyze the what are the major complaints, why that is going to happen in the organization, what are the major difficulties with my particular employees in my service sector, and what are the major problems with the end users. For the purpose to analyze this all, okay, first type of research that is coming into the service marketing is that is complaint solicitation. Got it? Sometimes the customers may not come up with the his complaint. Maybe because of any complaint, they will go to other company for the purpose to take their services without complaining to the organization. Okay, means they are going to cut that loyalty. Okay, to the exact company, and they will choose one more company of the same. Okay, so that tells that complaint solicitation. Therefore, organizations initiate a research to find out the customers who have complaints against the organization's products for the purpose to analyze the complaints of the products of the service sector. Okay, this particular complaint solution, the solicitation research plays a very important role. So what are the major objectives then? Why we should go for this particular complaint solicitation type of research? Major objective of this particular type of research is to identify or attend to dissatisfied customers. Why customers are dissatisfied about the company? Okay, and what is the reason behind that? For the purpose to go thoroughly, okay, this is the major objectives of complaint solicitation type of research. Okay, second one, that is to identify what are the common failure types are there, what are the major common service failure points are there. Okay, why as a service marketing manager, why they are failure in the services, why customers are not coming back to your organization, why customers are not happy by giving such a kind of particular such a kind of services by your organization. For the purpose to analyze these all, okay, your complaint solicitation, or type 1 that research of your service sector is, that is complaint solicitation. Then second one, requirement research. The word itself that tells the type 2, type second service research itself that tells that what is the requirement of the customer, for the purpose to analyze the requirement of the customers, for the purpose to analyze the market requirement, for the purpose to analyze the perception of the end users, for the purpose to analyze the satisfactory level of the end users, for the purpose to analyze the critical requirements of the customers. Okay, to find out those all. Okay, that is maybe with depend on the company, that may be qualitative or that may be quantitative. So depend on the what kind of particular research you are implementing for your research one, for the purpose to identify what are the requirements of the customers are there. That's coming into the requirement research. The major objective is to find out the critical requirements. Please underline that. For the purpose to analyze that critical requirement of the customers before launching of a service or a product in the market, to ensure that the customers are maybe happy with the organization offer right from the beginning. For the purpose to identify right before going to launch that particular product, maybe after launching that also. Okay, what are the major requirements needed? So depend on that. Okay, from the beginning to till. Okay, you need to implement every time. Okay, that is coming under the requirement research. This is a qualitative research, and only moderate amount of time is consumed it in. Qualitative in the sense, for the purpose to, especially that's again depend on the organization, depend on their interest, depend on the research, and especially this requirement is depend on the qualitative research only. Qualitative is maybe by observation, maybe by any experiments, maybe by any interviews with your customers. Okay, maybe direct counseling, maybe face-to-face interaction. Okay, whatever it might be. So depend on that. Okay, that requirement research is dependent. So this is a qualitative research, and only moderate amount of time is consumed in it. The monetary resources spent are also moderate. That is a moderate man only. Okay, this is the second particular type of research, and that is also very important for our exam point of view. So third one, that is critical incident research. Critical incident research is what are the incidents are going to happen between the customer and the service providers, for the purpose to identify the what is the transaction level. Okay, why such a kind of particular incidents are happening between the service providers and the end users. What is the exact problem with the maybe service provider and the end users? Okay, then what are the requirements are there, and what kind of particular improvements you want to improve. Okay, so what are the exact common service failure are there? Why your failure in the service giving time? Okay, to identify any systematic strengths and weaknesses in the customer contact services. These all are the points. Okay, like in HR, what you learned, critical incident method, CIT, or technique or method. Like here, for the purpose to analyze the exact problem of the this one producers. Okay, or one who is giving such a kind of services to the end users. Okay, why we are a failure in service giving? Before going to give that services, okay, you need to identify that work, what work quality, delivery time, their expectations. Okay, everything in detail. Then only it becomes very easy for you to maintain that smoothness in the organization. That is what this is, critical incident research. This research is initiated to find out the best practices and sorry, critical incidences at the customer touch points. At the help of this type of research, the service providers are able to find out the critical service failures points and their frequency. So the basic objectives of this critical incident research is to identify based practices at a transaction level, even it includes by transaction level also. Okay, to identify customer requirements as input for quantitative studies, to identify what are the customer requirements are there, you need to research on by quantitative research, okay, by doing survey, by putting some numbers, by statistical tool, by graphs, by inferences, by your these all by your major findings by numbers, statistics, and your suggestions depend on that. Okay, so third one, that is to identify common service failure points, for the purpose to identify why there is your failure in the service. Okay, that is also very important role. Okay, then next one, to identify systematic strengths and weaknesses in customer contact services. Before going to contact with your end users, what are the strengths are there, what are the weaknesses are there with you. So for the purpose to analyze these all, okay, this critical incident research plays a very important role. So very important for our exam point of view. They may ask question like this: define service research and explain in detail, okay, objectives of critical incident research. Means your answer should be like this: you have to mention all these points, then only there is a meaning to the exam. Okay, you should explain all these points. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, next one is trailer calls. Trailer calls are the calls given by the again by service managers for the purpose to collect the feedback of their services given by them to their end users, for the purpose to analyze. Okay, maybe our serviceman is given already services to your vehicle or your mobile, maybe any product, take an example. Okay, so by giving call, okay, how they are going to collect the feedback about the service persons, those are coming into the trailer calls. This helps in finding out the immediate feedback on the performance of the service transaction. What kind of service transaction is there? Maybe you are going to withdraw some amount from the bank, take an example. Okay, maybe there is any deposit. Even some bank people, they will send some any emails to you people, or they will do one SMS, or they will give a call for the purpose to analyze, how they will send you some ratings. So depend on that, what you are going to give that feedback to the again to the company. Okay, those are coming into the trailer calls. Trailer calls are here only, they will give you call on the basis of after giving such a kind of services to the end users. So in the time of, okay, that registration, okay, yeah, as a client, they will mention their numbers. Okay, from the company, they will give call to collect such a kind of feedback by the end users. That's coming into the trailer calls to measure the effectiveness of changes in service delivery mechanism. If there is any change is needed, if there is any perception is different about the services given by the company, if there is any changes required, what they fear, yeah, what they think as a customer. So depend on their perception. Again, they will collect the feedback and they will change. This is on daily basis. Trailer calls are on daily basis. Such a kind of services. So this type of research is also initiated to track the performance of individual service delivery teams. There are some again teams are there, and they are going to check the employees' performance on daily basis. So here it is very important and it is very on the spot. It will not take much more time. Okay, it will take less time consuming and less expensive also. Okay, So by trailer calls only, you can maintain your quality of services to your end users. Next is very important, that is mystery shopping. Mystery shopping or mystery consumer or a secret shopper. These are the major, these all words are very same. Again, mystery shopping is also same, mystery consumer is also same, and secret shopper is also a very same. Is a tool used externally by market researcher companies. These are just like watchdog organizations or internally by companies themselves to measure quality of services. See, mystery shoppings are the persons, okay? So these are like watchdog people. So they are going to analyze the quality of services to the end users or compliance with the regulations or to gather specific information about product or services. So not only to the company, okay, even they are going to analyze the present condition of the market, how they are giving services. So these mystery shopping people are going to concentrate on one who is giving better quality of services and one which company is good and which company is bad. So depend on that, those people are interested in buying the such a kind of particular product. That's coming under the mystery shopping. Okay, next one is customer panel. Very, very important for our exam point of view. What is the use of customer panel? They will ask. Customer panel it is a panel of customers, okay, and they will giving any such a kind of feedback to the again to the service providers, like any suggestions or any comments on the quality of the product or services of the organization. So this research is again qualitative in nature. Qualitative means by direct, maybe face to face, or maybe by observation, maybe by interview, okay, maybe on the spot what they are going to give them such a kind of any feedback or suggestions to the company people, okay, that's coming under the customer panel. Its frequency also too less. Most of the times it is done annually or once in 6 months, okay, or some companies if they believe in every month also, okay, they can do that by taking that such a kind of any feedback by the customers only. Then what is the major basic objectives of this kind of particular research? That is to monitor changes in customer expectations over time after some time, okay, after so many days, okay, what you are going to collect, what is the expectations of the customers, and for the purpose to do change to your service sector, okay, this customer panel plays a very important role. Then second, to provide a forum for customers to suggest and evaluate new service ideas, because as the end user only they only know that what kind of services is given by the one company to another company, because as we from one company, uh, we are not going to evaluate every day from our from us to our competitors. So meanwhile, as a customer they know that what kind of particular such a kind of competition is going on and what kind of particular service is there and that is given by their competitors. So as a customer they can give better particular suggestions to their particular company. So they can suggest anything as per the need and what are the changes should be required, they can suggest to the company. So to monitor changes in customer expectations over time, and second objective is to provide a forum for customers to suggest and evaluate new service ideas. Means as a service provider, you need to collect what are the ideas are there by the customers, and you need to collect those points, put in the meetings, and try to implement to your organization. Then next one, that is seventh one, that is lost customer research. Lost customer research means maybe by while you are going to failure, if you lost any customer because of some, maybe any disputes among the service providers and service providers and service companies to the end users. Take an example. Okay, why you lost that customer? You need to research on that particularly. What are their expectations? Okay, you need to identify that and you need to work on that. That's coming under the lost customer research. Means why your failure, why you are not going to handle those such a kind of particular customers, why you are not going to maintain such a kind of services as per the expectations or need of the customers, why there is a disputes between you and your customers. Okay, you need to maintain that for the purpose to analyze exact failure of the services. Okay, exact disputes, why there is a disputes among you and your end users, why there is a conflict between service provider and the end users. For the purpose to analyze these all, okay, there is one research that is called as lost